Every morning, you get 10 minutes that decide everything. 10 minutes that can build your focus or destroy it. Before the messages, before the noise, before the world pulls you in, there's a window, a fragile space between who you were yesterday and who you can be today. Most people waste it. They scroll, they snooze, they surrender control before the day even starts. But those who win, they treat those 10 minutes like gold. They move slowly, breathe deeply, and set intention before the chaos begins. Because the first thing you feed your mind becomes the tone for everything that follows. You open your eyes. Sunlight slips through the curtains. You reach for your phone. Stop. Take one breath. Think. What kind of day do I want to live? Choose to move, to stretch, to drink water, to breathe. Choose to do one thing that your future self will thank you for. Those tiny choices, they build momentum. And momentum builds identity. Because when you master the first 10 minutes, you don't just start your day, you design it. You take back control from the algorithms, from the distractions, from the noise. You decide what energy enters your mind before the world does. The rest of the day will still challenge you, but you'll meet it on your terms. Calm, focused, ready. So tomorrow, when you wake up, remember this. Control the first 10, the rest follows.